Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching Polynomials Part 4 Grade 9 Mathematics. Points discussed in this video: Algebraic identities, NCERT examples. Algebraic identity. Identity number 1 is a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Identity 2 is a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Identity 3 is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Identity 4 is x plus a into x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Identity 5 is x plus y plus z the whole square, that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. X plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. X minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz when x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Find the following products using appropriate identities. X plus 3 into x plus 3. This is nothing but x plus 3 the whole square. That is nothing but a plus b the whole square. That is x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square, which is x square plus 6x plus 9. This is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. But over here, these two are different. Hence, it's x minus a into x plus b. So that is nothing but x minus a into x plus b is nothing but x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So x square plus minus 3 plus 5 into x minus 5 3s are 15, which is x square plus 2x minus 15. Wait, 105 into 106 without multiplying directly. So 105 into 106 can be written as 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. This is again x plus a into x plus b identity. So that is nothing but x square plus a into b plus x a plus b x, that is 100. So this is nothing but plus 30 plus 11 into 100. So the final answer is 11130. Tries. So this identity looks like a plus b the whole square. So 49a square can be written as 7a the whole square plus 70ab can be written as 7a into 5b into 2 plus 5b the whole square, which is nothing but 7a plus 5b the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square identity. The second one is nothing but x square minus y square identity. So over here we can write this as 5 by 2 x square minus y by 3 square, which is nothing but 5 by 2x minus y by 3 into 5 by 2x plus y by 3. This is a plus b plus c the whole square identity. That is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So this can be written as 3a square plus 4b square plus 5c square plus 2 into 3a 4b plus 2 into 4b into 5c plus 2 into 5c into 3a. So we get 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square plus 24ab plus 40bc plus 30ac. This is also again the same identity. So this can be written as 4a square minus 2b square plus minus 3c square plus 2 into 4a minus 2b plus 2 into minus 2b minus 3c plus 2 into minus 3c plus 4a. So the final answer which we get is 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 16ab plus 12bc minus 24ac. Factorize. So this is again a plus b plus c the whole square identity. So this can be written as 2x the whole square plus y the whole square plus z the whole square minus 2 into 2x into y minus, so either x or y is having the minus sign. In both the terms where there is y, it is having negative sign, hence y is negative. Into 2x into z. So this can be written as 2x minus y plus z the whole square. Expand the following. So 3a plus 4b the whole cube is an identity. A plus b the whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this can be written as 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube plus 3 into 3a into 4b into 3a plus 4b, which is nothing but 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 108 a square b plus 114 ab square. This is a plus b, a minus b the whole cube. So 5p cube minus 3q cube minus 3 5p into 3q into 5p minus 3q. This is 125p cube minus 27q cube minus 225p square cube plus 135pq square. Evaluate each of the following using identities. So this can be written as 100 plus 4 whole cube, which is nothing but 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 into 100 plus 4, which is nothing but 100 followed by 6 zeros plus 64 plus 124800. So the answer is 1124864. This can be written as 1000 minus 1 cube, which is nothing but 1000 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 1 and 1000 minus 1. That's nothing but 1 followed by 9 zeros minus 1 minus 2997000. This is nothing but 997002999. Factorize. So this can be written as 2x cube plus 3y cube plus 3 4x square into 3y plus 3 2x into 9y square. So that's nothing but 2x plus 3y the whole cube. So the factors are 2x plus 3y 3 times. Factorize. So this can be written as 2x cube plus y cube plus 3z cube minus 3 into 2x into y into 3z. So this is nothing but 2x plus y plus 3z into 2x square plus y square plus 3z square minus 2x into y minus y into 2z minus y into 3z minus 2x into 3z. So this is 2x plus y plus 3z into 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus 2xy minus 3zy minus 6xz. Thanks Thanks for watching. Meet you soon with a new video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below. And do not forget to ring the bell icon for getting my latest videos.